Hi, this is Tammy Bowden, and here is your Taroscope for Aquarius. You are going to have to work out what you want in your life this week as things begin changing faster than you might like them to, so that you might start moving in the right direction. Spirit are urging you to hold yourself together until you're able to find grounding, as where you are is exactly where you're supposed to be, and all of the overthinking in the world won't change that. You may be feeling emotional about an upcoming move or big change to your household. However, a message is coming to you that will see a new beginning, either physically or financially, opening up to you. It is time to take control over the direction of your life, even if you feel emotionally fragile in doing so, as any battles that you are facing will lead you to a new beginning, either intimately or creatively. A balanced outlook will help you to navigate any feelings of isolation caused by negative reactions to your plans within your family unit as you begin making long-term plans and decisions for your future that will open you up to a new beginning emotionally.